Do you struggle with summer breakouts or even acne? Because nowadays, I don't even know. Sometimes we wear the mask, sometimes we don't, right? So, hey there, welcome to my channel. I hope that you are ready for some makeup tutorials and awesome skincare to take care of your skin. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. Enjoy coming back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing with you 5 tips to help you clear up and prevent random breakouts and even acne. Many people think that acne is just something teenagers have to deal with, or even people with sensitive skin. But the truth is that acne can happen. It could be because hormonal issues, it can be that time of the month, it can be that you worn your face mask for too long and so they start popping out, and that's what's called acne. Or some of us, something stressful, it's that time of the month, switched up your skincare, that also is something that can increase our chances of having acne in some place in our face, right? And so you don't want to switch up your skincare regimen drastically, right? You don't want to stop washing your face. Never do that, please. Use mild random care, but actually use some tweaks, which I'm going to show you, make that skincare work and obviously tame down that acne. First thing you want to do is double cleanse. So you want to start with micellar water first and then use your cleanser. So what this is going to do is the micellar water is going to remove some of that some of the dirt and the impurities on your face, but then when you wash your face with your regular regimen, this is going to actually like do that deeper clean in your face. So that's what you want. The thing is, you want to wash your face twice a day, especially at night before you go to bed, because you're going to put your face on the pillow, right? And so we don't want that bacteria that has been sitting on your face all day on your pillow, and then you kind of go to that pillow like every night. That's not nice and not nice for our face. So we want to cleanse our face before we go to bed, because that'll take away all that bacteria, all that dirt, and then you'll put your clean face on your pillow, and then it'll be better for everybody. You'll thank me later, believe me. Okay, it's going to be, you want to use, I would like to say a disposable cloth, but I'm environmentally friendly, so I'm going to say that you're going to wash your face and you're going to use a towel, and this you're going to use just once. So you're going to wash your face, dry your face, and this is going to go into the dirty clothes pile. So what happens is you're going to reuse your towel, but the towel traps a lot of bacteria. So what it's going to do is you're actually putting more bacteria on your face. So what that's going to do is going to aggravate your acne. So my suggestion is you have like these little towels, hand towels, I think they're called. Hand towels. This one's pretty cute because this is Mary Kay, but this is a special edition. It was a gift back, I don't even know when. I think it was mid-pandemic when we were giving out the charcoal mask. But this is a cute thing to have, and a few of these will actually help you, and you'll control your acne, and so it'll help with acne. The fourth tip, or the fourth thing you want to do, is you want to use a charcoal mask, and this you can use 2 to 3 times a week. This will help clear out the debris. It will remove that dirt from your pores. It'll actually control excess oils. So if your acne is due to excess oils, it will actually help control that. And so your pores are going to start looking smaller and with less stuff in them. Fifth tip is going to be you want to sanitize your phone. So I'm going to use a hand sanitizer. And we're walking all day with our phone on our cheek, close to our face. This is like dirty. It's like dirty. So we want to sanitize our phone, and it's clean. It's cleaner. So it'll go into your face, but it'll be cleaner. So that's another thing we can do. Sanitize our phone. And so that is my last tip. If you like this video, give it a like. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And then if you found these tips helpful, tell me which one. And then if you have any questions and I see them later pop up, I can respond to them. I will respond to them. I'm very good about that. Whatever tip you found helpful, please leave it in the comments. And I'll send you a sample of the charcoal mask in the mail. So that's all from me. Thank you for tuning into this video and for tuning into this channel. Please subscribe, and I will see you soon.